cooking. So I'm gonna to add the water with the salt and oil, just like this. Okay, we're gonna to cook this for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, today I'm gonna to make the spaghetti with shrimp or prawn. And here what you need is the coriander, garlic, lemon. If you have the fresh lemon, then it's better, because I don't have, so I just use this one. So we have the salt, rosemary and pepper, oregano, this one butter, olive oil and cheese, and this one is for decoration bowl on top of it. So we're gonna to start it. This one I already washed. I have this one is 200 gram. And take some rosemary. Add the butter and also the olive oil, so that the butter is not burnt. So we have that. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in the pan. Oh, good. We add here the oregano. If you have fresh, you can use fresh also. The prawn. And we wait till it's the color is changed. Coriander leaf. Love the smell. If you have basil, you can add it. Okay, this one is done. Add the chicken stock, just a little bit. Chicken stock, pepper, and then the last, this one. Salt, just a little bit salt. So off the fire, and then this one, lemon. So spaghetti. Yum, smells so good. So I love tomatoes, so I just put the tomatoes here. Cilantro also nice. So here, and then I add little bit more cheese. Okay, here is the result, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.